Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a glowy summer makeup tutorial. As much as I love doing bright, bold makeup looks, there's something so satisfying about having just a very simple look focused on the skin and just a little shimmer on the eye. If you like beauty-related videos, I post new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure you're subscribed and ring the bell while you're at it. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so my brows are on. I'll make sure to link that tutorial in the cards above. And now I'm going to prime my face with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Primer. Oh, good morning. And now I'm going in with the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. I'm just putting that on the areas that my pores are a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to take some of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer all over my face. Now I'm just taking some of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer and popping that where there's a little bit of discoloration poking through. I'll prime my lids with it while I'm at it. Now I'm just going to set the concealer around my eyes with that Coty Airspun setting powder, and then I'll very lightly set the rest of my face, but I want to be careful not to take away any of that nice dewiness that the tinted moisturizer and the primers gave us. Just very, very lightly setting the rest of the face. I'm going to contour just a little bit with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. I'm going to warm up the complexion just a little bit more with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm using my Tarte blush in Party. And then I'm just hitting the high points of my face with my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Be My Highlight. And I'll get my brow bone while I'm at it. Redefining my bigger freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. I'm popping on just a tiny bit of the Becca Beach Tint in Guava. And then topping that off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. With the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette, I am going to start with Royal Jewels and just use that as my transition shade throughout my crease. And now I'm just lightly tapping into Yora Gem and focusing that more so on the outer portion of my crease. Really not building up that color too much, but just for a little bit more definition. And I'm gonna run that on my lower lash line as well. Taking Sunstone on my finger and just popping that all over my lid. I'm gonna take that on the very inner portion of my lower lash line as well. Now with the shimmery pink shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm just gonna kind of pack that very lightly on the outer corner of my lid. I don't want it to be too pink, and I might go back in with that finger that I had Sunstone on and kind of mute it out a little bit. Now with Carnelian, I'm just wetting a little angled brush. This is the e.l.f. and Jkissa J5 brush. I've been really liking it for liner, but I am lining my eyes with that, and I'm gonna give myself just a little baby wing. Gonna highlight my brow bone just a little bit more with my Precious. Popping Pearl on my inner corner. I am taking What a Pretty Smile from the e.l.f. and Jkissa Tsuki to my Heart eyeshadow duo, and I'm just gonna pop that on the very inner corner of my eye and right on the center of the lid. I'm gonna use patting motions to disperse those sparkles. I've really been liking this eyeshadow topper. It just adds such a pretty reflect to any look. Even if I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, just putting this on my lids, it's really pretty. Before I put on mascara, I'm just gonna set the skin a little bit with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Setting Mist. Now I'm just curling my lashes and giving them a generous coating of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Good stretch, dude. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.